Hi, my name's Dave Martin. I'm the IS manager for Waterloo Air Products. We manufacture grills and diffusers for the heating, ventilation and air conditioning industry. We have a turnover of about £8 million and I look after every aspect of IT, from the phones through to video, everything. Before with Britannic, we had an 18 phone system, an old SDX Index, whilst very reliable, coming to end of life, harder and harder to maintain, although we still do have it running alongside a Mitel now. We also had telephones, landlines with one company, mobiles with another, mobiles with two providers, and internet provider with two other people as well. So we had all these different bodies of people trying to give us good service, and not very well. So we got in contact with Britannic. They came down and came up with a solution which was to replace the Index with a Mitel 3300, provide Ethernet for our phones, so everything's over SIP now. We have direct internet access, which is fantastic. They look after all our mobile phones. We have GSM gateway. Our phone costs are just shrunken so much. It's fantastic. So in the beginning, they were the first people to offer a complete solution. Obviously, we shopped around, but they're fairly local to us, very friendly, and just took to them. They seemed a very similar company to us. There's a lot of people been there a long time, sort of like almost a family, as Waterloo are. And the company we were with before was, we had a phone outage of our system and they were quoting us 3 days to repair it. Britannic have consistently gone over and above the call of duty to help us out. Even out of hours when we've not paid for it, it's just nothing's too much trouble. They are by far my best supplier. I can just totally trust them, and I know at the end of the phone is someone who I can talk to who will understand the problem and sort it out. We were paying £10,000 a year more 3 years ago on phone calls and maintenance than we are now. So, in this day and age, I'm consistently under budget on phones, which is fantastic. At the moment, we have, purely down to financial constraints on our behalf, we still run our old Index system alongside the Mitel. So the Mitel does all the in and out calls, our switchboard. We have several teleworkers as well, which works fantastic. We have an office in Manchester which just has 2 teleworker phones. It works really well. No one would know from the outside world that they're in Manchester or whether they're in Alresford. We plan to roll that out a bit more, and then gradually phase out the old Index system and replace it completely with Mitel. I would and have recommended Britannic on several occasions, and we've also been a reference site for Sarah, my account manager, so I've had people phone us up, and I have no hesitation in recommending Britannic whatsoever. They are the utmost professionals.